All right, y'all. We're going on an adventure to Walmart. Me and the kiddos. And look what we see. They got a helicopter up here. The rescue team. On the ground right here. It's crazy.
Whoa!
Check it out. Look, they got the helicopter out here at Walmart. What's going on, man?
Hanging out.
All right. What we got going on today?
Oh, just a little Christmas event. Feel free to go ahead and look inside of our helicopter. We got some of our fire trucks. We got some of the fire ambulances here. We got the management. A little party going on.
For sure, man. That's nice, man. So we can get to look inside the helicopter, everything.
I want to go in. Me too.
Let's go check it out. Let's check it out. Rescue helicopter. You see it?
I'm sorry, I didn't.
Melanie. It's Muns.
I was saying thank you, Miss Muns. I tried to call people by their first name, and it's like
That. I can see the air babies with us.
yeah, you can. Come on, bud. Okay, come on. Thank you so much, you guys. You have a wonderful holiday season.
Look inside. Look inside. Look. Yeah, this is where they put the people at when they pick them up. See, this is like an ambulance.
Whoa.
When people get hurt sometime, they can't make it to the hospital fast, they come out in a helicopter.
You guys want to go inside the helicopter?
Yeah.
Wanna go inside?
So, climb up here, then climb over there.
Watch it, Haley. Check out Haley get in the helicopter. It's the Air Medicare. How you doing, man? Good. How you feeling, brother?
Good. Doing good. How are you guys?
Good, man. I said we came to Walmart today at the right day, huh?
That's it.
We had no idea.
This is the best time to be in this helicopter on a day like this.
This is the only time you want to
Yes,
Right.
absolutely.
When there's none injured, life
You're just up here
threatening.
looking and having fun, enjoying it.
Right. Look at that. Y'all like it?
But if you ever do need it, it is here. Want a picture inside?
Oh. Y'all in the helicopter.
It's hard.
Want me to get a picture?